Hello my dear students. So let's start the next topic of chapter first, reproduction in plants. In last class I have explained you how reproduction in plants occurs through seed. Today I will explain you the structure of seed, how seed germinate and convert into a complete plant, what are the parts of seed, how they work, how they help seed to germinate. So this is the anatomy of a seed. Structure of seed: first, seed coat, cotyledon, plumule, hypocotyle and radicle. Seed coat, it is the protective shield of seed, protect from any damage. Cotyledon, store food in form of starch and provide nutrition to the seed for its growth and development. Cotyledons store food for the baby plant before the baby plant start making its own food. Plumule, it is the primary shoot that comes out of the ground. It appears as a bud which will give rise to the shoot and the remaining structure in the plant. Hypocotyle, it is the stem of the germinating seed. Radicle, this is a embryonic root which will develop into a primary root and it goes deep into the ground. Cotyledon is also of two types, monocot and dicot. Mono means one, di means two, means seed which contain only one cotyledon is called monocot, and the seed which consists of two cotyledon is called as dicotyledon. Means when you divide a dicot, it will divide into two parts, or when you break it from between, it will divide into two parts, but not monocot. The examples of monocots are wheat, rice and maize, and dicotyledons, pea, beans and grams. When you divide peas, beans and grams, or you will break it, they will divide into two parts. That means they are made up of two cotyledons. So in this lockdown you have an interesting activity to do at home and you will learn so much from this activity. You will learn the structure of seed and how benefit these sprouted seeds are for you. So first, what you have to do, take some gram seeds, or you can take beans also and peas also. Soak them in water for 1 day at least. After that, hang the soaked seed in a moist cloth for 10 to 12 hours or till you see the sprouts. Sprouts mean a white color substance will come out from the grams or beans or peas. Between this 10 to 12 hours, you have to sprinkle some water on the moist cloth. Sprouts are very healthy for your body. They contain so many nutritious components. They are rich in nutritious component. You must add this as a salad in your breakfast. They are very healthy breakfast. So do this activity at home and let me know what you have observed in this activity. So that's all for today. Have a nice day everyone. Stay safe.